girls? How's the Josh? What happened? How's the Josh? How's the Josh? How's the Josh? That's better. So before we get started, I would like for each one of you, okay, to overcome your stage fear and to understand the nuances of what it takes to make a powerful presence felt. Think of one animal in your mind, first and foremost. Any animal trait that you resonate with and that you would like to carry forward for today evening's and tomorrow's session. Okay? So can we have a mic for the girls? I'll just take 5 of you, okay? Anybody? Quickly.
He has a soft quality and pure, pure color. So I
Okay.
believe that I want to carry pure heart, and I resonate with that.
Okay. Thank you so much. Anybody else? Yes, please.
Good evening, ma'am. Thank you so much for your question. I believe if I have to resonate with any animal, it must be lioness, because I have that warrior quality. I have faced multiple challenges in life and overcome beautifully. And I believe that whenever you believe in yourself, you can achieve whatever you want. Yat bhavam tad bhavati. You become what you think. And that's why I'm here today. Thank you so much.
Anybody else? Yes. One more to go. Anybody else? Last. Yes, at the back.
I resonates with the tiger because it has so much energy and a patience. So I'm going to carry forward this into me, the energy and the patience. I think that's my power.
That's your strength. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's give everybody a big round of applause. Thank you so much.
Now we have someone who transforms style into an expression of self. A true artist and mentor of VEC, he is here to share insights and tips of good hair and styling. Please welcome Mr. Javed Salmani for a quick masterclass on hair styling and stage ready glamour.
I'm Javed. I'm celebrity hairstylist. I'm many actor. I did work together for hairstyling past 15 years. So आज हम सबको उन्हीं को तरह सबको तराशने आए हैं कि कैसे सेलिब्रिटी ही सेलिब्रिटी नहीं होते, आप लोग भी सेलिब्रिटीज़ होते हो, है ना. हमें लगता है कि बस सेलिब्रिटी जो होते हैं ना बस वही सबसे है, हम उसी को फॉलो करते हैं. कितने लोग हैं जो आपको फॉलो करते हैं, राइट. सो आज हम बताएंगे कि कैसे आप सेलिब्रिटी से ज़्यादा अच्छे और दिख सकते हो, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे और बिल्ड हो सकता है, आपकी चीज़ों को कैसे और एनहांस कर सकते हैं. कितने लोगों को लगता है कि आज कितनी बार ऐसा होता है कि हम बहुत अच्छे ड्रेस पहन लेते हैं और हमारे बाल अच्छे नहीं होते. होता है ना, कितनी बार होता है ऐसा. बहुत अच्छी ड्रेस पहन लेते हैं और हमारे बाल नहीं अच्छे होते ना, तो हमारे कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड नहीं होता. होता है ना, कितने लोगों के साथ ऐसा होता है. ज़रूरी नहीं कि सैलून में ही सारी चीज़ें स्टाइल होती हैं, आप खुद से भी कर सकते हैं. अपने घर पे कुछ ऐसे टूल्स होते हैं जो आप कैरी कर सकते हो. देखो इसके बाद क्या होने वाला है, बहुत चेंज आने हैं आपकी लाइफ में. कुछ बताया था, आई एम श्योर सब लोग होंगे, तो मैंने काफ़ी आईपैड पे भी दिखाया था कैसी फेस के साथ कैसी स्टाइल आप कैरी कर सकते हो. और ऑन स्टेज जब आप इसके बाद आई एम श्योर आप सब स्टेज पे होंगे तो कैसे स्टाइल आपको हॉलीवुड स्टाइल रखना है, बॉलीवुड स्टाइल रखना है. बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं कि बैक स्टेज पे, फ्रंट स्टेज पे कैसे कैसे स्टाइल कैरी कर रहे हो. सो अगर किसी के फेस पे वार्म टोन है ज़्यादा, बहुत ज़्यादा है, वार्म मतलब बहुत येलोइश टोन है, बहुत ज़्यादा येलोइश टोन है, तो वो चाहे कि अपने बालों में थोड़ी कूल शेड ले. कूल शेड मतलब लाइक थोड़ा सा ऐश की तरफ ले सकते हैं, वार्म ऐश की तरह ले सकते हैं. अगर किसी को ऐसा लगता है कि किसी के बहुत स्किन टोन बहुत कूल है, कूल मतलब बहुत रेडिश टोन पे है, तो वो वार्म कलर के साथ प्ले कर सकता है. जैसे आप अपने हेयर कलर कराएंगे ना चेंज, तो आपको देखना आपकी पर्सनैलिटी, आपका स्किन टोन एकदम चेंज हो जाएगा, है ना. ब्लैक बाल अच्छे लगते हैं आई एम श्योर, बट थोड़ा सा कलर के साथ क्या होता है कि थोड़ी सी वार्मथ आ जाती है. जैसे आप ज्वेलरी पहनते हैं, आई एम श्योर सब लोग छोटी छोटी चेन पहनते हैं गले के अंदर, बहुत पतली पतली. आप देखो उस एरिया में ना आपकी वार्म टोन, वार्म्स, एक सॉफ्टनेस क्रिएट आ जाती है आई एम श्योर. तो वुमेन्स में तो ज़्यादा रहता है ना कि चेन अगर उसके साथ, तो अगर आपको ये देखना है कि हमारी स्किन वार्म कैसे दिख रही है और कूल कैसे दिख रही है, तो आप एक येलो कोई भी येलो कोई कलर का लेंगे, साटन कलर का, और एक सिल्वर कलर का लेंगे, और आप ये खुद से देख सकते हैं कि और क्या लगता है किसी को कुछ रिलेटेड हेयर क्वेश्चंस? यस।
So I haven't styled this. I have only used gel and curling cream.
Okay.
That's it. So how can I style it? Means it will be very good for the first day, and second day it will become frizzy. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. So if I straighten, again it will become frizzy.
Right.
Or if I want to do some curling with tongs, then again it will be. The curls won't last.
Very flat.
Yeah. Curls won't last. So this is kind of my comfortable hairstyle, I can say. So how? What are the other ways I can style my hair?
थोड़ी सी ना प्लेसमेंट कराते हैं, जिसको बोलते हैं हाईलाइट्स नहीं करके बेबी लाइट्स। सो जब भी बेबी लाइट्स में, कर्ल्स में जब बेबी लाइट्स होते हैं तो वो और एनहांस हो जाते हैं, राइट? उसके अंदर के करेक्टर आ जाता है कि वो और एनहांस हो जाता है। एक तो वो बहुत अच्छा दिखेगा, प्लेन से अच्छा दिखेगा, और दूसरा है कि वो उसमें थोड़ा सा वो एक स्ट्रक्चर आ जाएगा, राइट? तो वो और ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट और नोटिसेबल होगा। और कैरी करने के लिए ना आप बहुत सारे मार्केट में जेल आते हैं, ऐसे एक कर्ल क्रीम आती है जो उसको कर्ल्स को और अच्छे से एनहांस करती हैं, उसको और मेंटेन करती है, राइट? सो आप जेल भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जेल विथ क्रीम। डिफ्यूज़र के साथ डिफ्यूज़ कर सकते हैं, अपने कर्ल्स को डिफ्यूज़ कर सकते हैं जनरली, तो वो आपकी बहुत हेल्प करेंगे।
Now moving ahead, balance is everything, not just for your walk, but for your well-being. Our next mentor believes that a healthy mind and body together create the true foundation of success. Please welcome Ms. Rachna Mohan for her session on fit body and fit mind.
Right? I have a family of almost, new family of almost more than 25 members. मतलब VEC की जो family है वो मेरे साथ add हुई है, and I mean every day, every moment आप इस मंच को याद करोगे, राइट? सो थोड़ा सा माहौल को इंटरेस्टिंग और थोड़ा मस्ती वाला बनाते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद यू। व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम? ये जस्ट कीप सिटिंग प्लीज। या पार्डन? फारा। ओके, सो फारा, लेट्स डू वन थिंग। फारा से हम गेम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं, एंड वील कंटिन्यू। जैसे जैसे वेव चलती जाएगी गेम आगे आगे बढ़ती जाएगी, ठीक है? सो फारा, आपकी जो नेक्स्ट को कंटेस्टेंट बैठे हुए हैं, आपको उनकी एक लाइन में यू जस्ट नीड टू, मतलब आप उनका चेहरा देखेंगे एंड जो आपके माइंड में पहली चीज़ आएगी, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस आएगा, आपको वो बोलना है, एंड सेम वील कंटिन्यू द चेन।
She's extremely sweet person.
Oh God,
Very sweet.
okay, okay, now it's your turn, and introduce yourself please. Yeah,
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Dr. Anita Tom.
okay,
The person sitting next to me here is Monica.
okay,
I feel she's a very kind and compassionate lady.
okay. I would say you can clap. Yes, we continue the chain. Yeah.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Monica.
Yeah.
And the person sitting next to me is my roommate, and she is very, very friendly. She's very good.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Meenakshi Tandon, and the person sitting next to me is Pravalika. Pravalika, what I have understood and learned about her, that she's a very down-to-earth person. Yes.
Great, great. Now you, yeah, hi. So you can see and, yeah.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Yeah.
I'm Pravalika. And
Monica, she's very sweet. Like I talked to her. We are co-contestants in last year's Mrs.
Oh, great,
So,
great, great.
We
Okay.
didn't met there.
Uh-huh.
We talked a lot. So she's so sweet.
Okay.
Sweet person.
Okay, okay, okay. Please, please. ये रुकना नहीं चाहिए, and just let's have a huge round of applause for you all. Thank you.
Now for bringing such grounding and wisdom into today's energy. And now it's time for some truly inspiring voices, queens who have lived this energy and emerged shining. Let's begin with our reigning Mrs. VEC Queen of India 2024, Diksha Nijavan. who joined us to share her personal experiences, challenges, and lessons from her journey.
How are you feeling?
Very good.
You must be super excited and nervous also at the same time.
Yes.
Because I still remember that last year, when in December, when I was sitting over there, I was super nervous. Super nervous. Like when they called my name and I was supposed to give an introduction, I really didn't know how I managed that. But what was the good part, you know? Can you guess? Any guesses? I don't want to give a regular session. I want it to be interactive session. So any guesses? Sorry?
Confidence.
Yes. That's the difference. That's the biggest difference. And that's the most important part. Because if you are confident, you can do wonders in your life. But if you're not confident, even if you have all the skills, you won't be able to do it. So now that you are a family of VC, you have to keep few things in your mind. Whether you win or you lose, that's secondary. But this is your journey of transformation. And trust me, when you leave from here, you're going to find a new version of yourself. Do you agree?
Yes.
Louder.
Yes.
I don't even need a mic. So, let's start with your introduction. Is it okay? Can you come one by one?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Farha, and I come from a beautiful city of Hills, Nainital. I'm working in Gurgaon, and I'm living there since past 10 years now, and I'm a proud mother of 19-year-old daughter. I'm a HR professional, and I'm very compassionate. I love to talk to people. I love to help others, and I'm here to make a difference in everybody's life. That's all about me. A brief introduction about me. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I think I'll come there only and hand over the mic to you.
Good evening, respected mentors, my beloved co-contestants, and the dear winners from last year. Seeing you is so inspiring. Myself, I'm Dr. Anita Tom. I'm from Kottayam, Kerala. Namaskaram to all. I'm a dermatologist by profession, a sculptor artist, art teacher, and an entrepreneur by passion, and a mom of a 2.5-year-old baby. And to be here, I am here to find the best version of myself. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next, we have our graceful Miss VEC Queen of India 2024, Trishita Chaudhary.
Hello everyone, I'm Trishita Chaudhary and I'm the winner of Miss VEC Queen of India 2024 and I hail from Agartala, Tripura in the beautiful valleys of Northeast. Currently, I'm pursuing my MBA from New Delhi Institute of Management with a specialization in marketing and digital marketing. I also work voluntarily with Period Society for my state Agartala and also Delhi NCR. And I'm also very proud to introduce my own homestay and Airbnb experience called Misty Home to you all. So it's open for all of you whenever you wish to visit Agartala in the beautiful valleys of Northeast. Misty Home is always there to host you. Honestly, the vision here is very, very beautiful. There is Inu, who has been a previous year finalist with me. We had many memories. I see very beautiful Mrs. Categories, very active. I've seen your beach, your resort wear round when I came in by the afternoon. Very gracious, I would say very confident. You're looking absolutely beautiful. I'm just here to give you a little bit of insight of how my experience has been, my journey with VEC. I was a fresher when I stepped in. I was just 21, 22-year-old who came with no experience in this field, but always had this, aspirations of how people are doing it. I am a big believer of balance, but since I come and orient from a very academic-oriented family, for me, stepping into this industry was kind of taking a big milestone and making it happen was very difficult. Society, you know how the society is to women. I was called a short queen. Like, you do not have the height to be a pageant queen. Even though my age was young, but still people suggested me, oh, your face is good for commercial. You can't walk the runway. But do you think you can't walk the runway? VEC has made that happen for you. Tomorrow you are going to walk the runway. That confidence, when I joined VEC, lifted my spirits up more. I thought that all the things that I have always or seen in other people doing and thought, wow, she looks so gracious. Wow, she has so much potential. I realized God gifted me in me as well. I just need to find it. I just need to have the confidence to put it out there. So this has been my experience. I had fun. I wish all of you have fun. This is a competition, but it's also a competition within yourself first. And I always say, once a queen, always a queen. So the legacy always stays. So come here, all the very best to everyone. Give your best. Lots of fashion, lots of glamour, lots of fun. I wish to see you all graciously in the talent round. This is your time. Make it happen. Thank you.
Perseverance and passion, Mrs. VEC Queen of India 2024, second runner-up, Kalpana Das Gandhi, to speak about her experiences on runway shows and her evolution beyond the crown.
Last pageant, yes. So I know most of the people out here. Pravalika, Monica, again Monica. I know Sonal, I know her very well. I have a very interesting story with her that I'll share later on. Survi, I know most of the people I know. Ekta, I know you. Deepika, right? Yeah, Swati, she was a very good friend, your sister. So I'm here to talk today about runway. How many of you know about runway? What is runway? What's your idea about runway? What do you think about runways? How many of you know about runway? Most of you have walked runway. So runway is not always like camera, lights. It's beyond that. It's how you show yourself on the stage. When you see hundreds of people, it might be thousands of, it might be 50 people. But when you're on the stage, you don't see anything. You just have to see yourself in front of the light. You have to show your confidence. How gracefully you can walk. How gracefully you can carry your outfit and walk. Right? So in runway, if I talk about, there are different models, different type of models, supermodel, pool model, you get showstopper, show opener. Those are different again. But my experience with runway is very different. I started my career in fashion runway 17 years back when I was in my college days, 2002, 2003, I guess. Yeah. So at that point of time, my hometown, Guwahati, Assam, I'm from Assam by the way. So I worked there a couple of years, 1-2 years. After that, I moved back to Delhi, got busy with my work, and I worked with a travel company. I worked with the international travel company. I've worked with international airline. Present, I'm working with American Airlines as an auditor. So I get very less time, but still I try to work out when there's a show or a shoot. I love walking on ramp. So when you talk about runway, it's always about your choreographer, what he wants and your designer wants. Yeah, you can never say that no, I have to do this. मुझे ये करना है, मुझे इस तरफ से जाना है, नहीं मुझे आगे जाना है, मुझे किसी और की तरफ. There are models. I have experience and I have seen. Yeah, you have to always follow the rules, whatever they say, right? But it's not necessary that always if you are a showstopper or a show opener, right, you get more visibility, like people would know you. Log aapko bolenge, oh, she's a showstopper, she's a show opener. No. Sometimes a pool model and a supermodel get more visibility. People come to know about them, the way they walk, the gracefully they walk, the confidence they have, right? Even a simple attire that you're wearing, like all designers, they do not have very heavy and expensive outfit, but it's their creativity that you're showing on the stage, right? Runways, again, there are different type of runways that you have. Designer might ask you to walk very fast, as per the music, as per the outfit. Some are very slow. Runways are always not about like just chal ke jana hai and ana hai. You have to show, pose yourself, show the outfit. Have you recently seen Bombay Times where Kangana's yes. come back? Yes. Did you see her? The movie that she walked until now, it's the same. It's how gracefully she walks, how gracefully she's taking her outfit, how gracefully she's presenting herself. Yeah, that's what you has to be even later on. Every day you get to learn new things in runway, every day, backstage and whatever. After I didn't win, then I joined VC. I don't know, something clicked. There were some other pageants also, but something clicked with me in VC. I joined. And when Muskan and Sunaina took my audition, Kirti was also there. They saw me and Muskan said, "You're already ready here." Because within a month I joined. After I participated in Mrs. India Asia, within a month I joined VEC. And trust me, they had helped me a lot. For a small thing also, like most of the people have experience. When you have that attitude, that confidence, the zeal in you to walk the ramp, the confidence, you show yourself, trust me, So you guys will get to learn more from her. From here, you can go forward. How to present yourself, how to speak, what to say, what not to say. Yeah. So learn more and more from her. Anytime you can contact her for anything. आगे जाके आप लोग international pageants भी, I guess, so you guys will participate. So she's the best place to learn with. Yeah. Okay then. Thank you so much. See you guys soon today evening in your talent round, and then tomorrow. Yeah.
He's inspiring a new batch to dream even bigger. Now, it's once again time to work on one of the most important parts of your pageant journey, your introduction and question and answers. The way you express your thought defines your individuality. To help you master this, we have our mentor, advisor, and grooming expert, Miss Kirti Narang.
Good evening, queens. Good evening, divas. What should I call you? What should I call you?
Combination of everything. Combination of everything.
Combination of everything. Yeah, that's even wonderful. Yes, of course, queens in making. And today you did fantastic in your first semi-finale round. So a big round of applause for these girls who are turning into diva. And tomorrow they will emerge as queens. Okay? You really made us feel very proud. But yes, the competition is tough. So when the going gets tough, what we do? Practice. We get tougher, okay? Did you feel that it is a tough competition? Did you feel it today?
Yes.
Yes, you all are improving with time, which is very, very good news for us. But it is a difficult thing for you because you have to be absolutely precision within every aspect of your walk, talk, confidence, delivery, because a little bit here and there can make you lose. I gave you a few questions yesterday. We practiced it. Anything from that you feel that yes, you would like to rehearse them once again, or there is some different perspective which you would like to bring to light, or about standing, the posture, everything. Any doubt that you have, you can let me know. Otherwise, yes. So, good question. 1 minute is the time frame which we are looking at. Okay? It is nice that you utilize that 1 minute. Even if they ask you 2 qualities, name 2 qualities. Let's say they say, what are the 2 qualities? You can easily say, I'm confident, I'm compassionate. But you would not say that. You would utilize that 1 minute to reflect what exactly is your thought process. Okay, what all you can share in that 1 minute about the qualities. So even 2 qualities you can enhance in that 3-4 lines. Okay, so try to utilize that. But again, maintain the length. It should not go beyond 1 minute because then it becomes repetitive, then it becomes too lengthy, and it is not good for you and for the jury as well, because if it gets too long, your marks would be deducted. If it gets too long, then it will be very difficult for you to stick to your content and you will unnecessarily repeat.